The Sahel insurgencies are a massive interconnected web of violent conflicts spanning Africa's semi-arid Sahel region, primarily centered within Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger. Driven by militant Islamist groups, local ethnic militias, and a total collapse of Western backed security alliances, it has evolved into the world's deadliest epicenter of terrorist violence. As of June 2026, the conflict has officially transformed from sporadic desert raids into an all out territorial war where terrorist syndicates are attempting to govern populations, replace states, and expand southward into coastal West Africa. The modern Sahel crisis can be traced back to a specific geopolitical domino effect in 2011 to 2012. Following the overthrow of Muammar Gaddafi in Libya, thousands of heavily armed, well trained Tuareg mercenaries who had fought for him flooded back into northern Mali with heavy weaponry. These fighters launched an armed rebellion seeking an autonomous state named Azawad in northern Mali. Highly organized Islamist extremist factions linked to Al Qaeda quickly hijacked the Tuareg rebellion. They pushed the secular Tuareg rebels aside and seized control of major Malian cities like Timbuktu, enforcing strict Sharia law and triggering a severe international crisis. Today, the insurgency is driven by two main rival extremist coalitions that alternate between cooperating and violently competing with one another. JNIM. This is the official branch of Al Qaeda in Sahel. JNIM focuses heavily on hearts and minds strategy. In areas neglected by central governments, they entrench themselves by collecting taxes, mediating local land disputes, and running primitive court systems. IS Sahel, Islamic State Sahel Province, formerly known as ISGS. This branch is affiliated with the Islamic State. Unlike JNIM, IS Sahel is notorious for extreme, indiscriminate brutality, mass killings of civilians, and high profile blockades of entire cities to choke out military supplies. Frustrated by soaring military casualties and the historical failure of Western interventions such as French military's Operation Barkhane and the UN's peacekeeping mission MINUSMA, armies of the Sahel revolted against their civilian leaders. Between 2020 and 2023, successive military coups d'etat occurred across Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger. The political earthquake resulted in a radical restructuring of global alliances. The new military juntas completely severed ties with Europe and the United States, forcing French and American anti-terror troops out of their air bases. To fill the security vacuum, the juntas invited Russian state-backed mercenary factions, including the Wagner Group, now operating under Russia's Africa Corps, to run counter-insurgency operations. Turning their backs on the West African bloc, ECOWAS, Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger formed a confederation known as Alliance of Sahel States (AES). By late 2025 and into 2026, the AES activated a 15,000 strong unified joint military force to launch independent aggressive air and ground campaigns against the jihadists. Despite the heavy militarization by Russian forces and the newly formed AES Joint Military Front, the underlying crisis remains unresolved. Militants are no longer contained to the desert. They have aggressively expanded out of the central Sahel using protected forest reserves as forward operating bases to launch deadly attacks into coastal West African nations like Benin, Togo, and Ghana. Insurgent groups successfully recruit by exploiting local grievances. For instance, they heavily target nomadic Fulani communities, offering them protection against heavy-handed military crackdowns and state-backed civilian defense militias, which has hyper-ethnicized the local violence. According to monitoring networks like ACLED, fatalities linked to militant Islamist groups reached staggering highs through 2025 and early 2026. Over 15 million people across the central Sahel are currently in urgent need of humanitarian assistance, with severe climate-induced droughts and militant blockades pushing communities into widespread starvation.